Hey guys, my name is Jacob and welcome to today's brand new video. So I know it's been a while since I have last uploaded, so let's just ignore that please. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how this super cool and trendy room behind me came to be. So let's just say my room didn't always look like this. In fact, the last time I decorated it was when I was 9 years old. It started off as a good room for a 9-year-old, but over time, I grew out my single bed. I've only recently got TV in my room, so I think it's a bit more suiting now for me. So if you guys want to see how a super ugly 9-year-old's room transformed into this beauty, stay tuned. And at the end, I will be showing a final room reveal / tour, so stay tuned for that. Hey guys, so I am here at IKEA with Rosie. As you can, there now you can see IKEA. So I'm looking for stuff for my room, looking for some shelves, stuff for my bed, and
I have some shelves.
yeah. So
Okay, so this is the bed that Jacob already bought, and he's been deciding if he wants to get one of these laptop table things. So we're just trying to get a visual of how he would look in bed on it. I see it.
Yeah.
I really do.
Okay, so I found the mattress protectors, which I actually do need. I think this is it here. A full double. I go get it. It's the first thing added to the cart. Let's keep shopping. So originally I had this one. Turns out it was $50, which is just a little bit too much. So this one is about 20 bucks less, and it's essentially the same thing, but it's not as like cushioning, which I don't really need anyways.
It's more like a rough fabric, but it's just a mattress protector, so you're never gonna feel it.
So
let's put it in. Officially first thing to go in.
First thing.
Let's get shopping.
Let's get shopping.
Round two.
Okay, so I found sheets for my new bed. It's like a dark gray. Thread count is to 310. Whatever that means. So I'm currently looking for plants right now.
Jacob only does real plants.
Only real plants.
The real plant kind of guy. He has a hook in his room, and I really want him to get one of those. So hopefully
now
he
they're
listens
broken
to
ones.
me.
They're all broken.
All these are broken. That's what happens when you get real ones. That's why you get these.
Okay, so I found my shelves here. So we're getting 3 of these ones for $9.99 each. Okay, so we are currently in Walmart. So I just picked up this mirror. So this mirror is $11, a pretty good price in my opinion.
Just a mirror, like,
just a mirror.
You don't need anything too fancy, just something that you can see yourself in and
yeah, so
feel confident in the morning.
Exactly. So we're currently looking for some room decor, if they have any.
That laptop table, we forgot that we wanted him to get one, so he didn't get it.
I didn't get it, so they might have one here, they might not. Stay tuned to find out. Okay, so now the fun of building my bed begins. You know how IKEA manuals are, they're the actual worst. So hopefully it doesn't take me too long to build. It doesn't look too bad or too like intense. Just like, I don't know. I'm pretty happy with what it looks like so far. The color looks pretty good. In case you are interested, the bed is called Pardal. That's what it looks like there, and it is that grayish. And you deserve, and you did it right from the start. And you did it right from the start. see, my bed frame is built. And I have some leftover parts there, which is for a mattress base, which is in this box right here. Oops, there's my keys. And so that shouldn't take me too long. I'm pretty happy with how it looks. So if you guys like this video, be sure to drop it a thumbs up, a comment down below what you think of it, any questions, comments, or concerns. Follow me on social media. All my Instagram stuff is down in the description. And I will see you guys in a brand new video next week, next Friday, probably. Let's hope, honestly. I don't have the best track record, so I'm hoping to, guys. I don't know at this point.
Okay, fine, maybe I'm just a little nostalgic.